totally into it. And like when we started doing it, bhai to udde udde. Bro,
Come on, get up!
मेरो इज्जत दाउमा छ bro. Like
May the rocks rule it. Ah, okay.
then go find out. No bro, it happens.
हुन्छ कोही हुन्छ कोही. Let's go.
Hello, I am Chandni Shah.
Hi everyone, I'm Nikki Shrestha.
And I'm Shah.
Rana Magar,
Rana Magar.
and I'm Shreya Pokhral,
Of course, the boss.
The boss lady.
and we're here to talk about the last video about the gents room. We're thinking of shooting the same kind of video for ladies room, but everyone had their own apprehensions. Even informally we did talk about it. So why were we so apprehensive? Why? हामीलाई किन त्यति धेरै टेन्सन थियो कि लाइक यु नो वी शुड नट गो आउट देयर इन पब्लिक एन्ड टक अबाउट इट भनेर चाँदनी वाइ फर यु
Of course, society will point out, no, but female भन्छ नि त, and they like, होइन यो अर्काको लाज हो यस्तो so. I mean that got like slammed and बाबा आमाले के सोच्ला तिम्रो बाबा आमाले के सोच्ला त्यस्तो टाइपको आउँछ क्या only for female मेललाई त आउँदैन कोही.
Yeah, I think we're mainly worried about reaching the content in a bad audience, I know mainly because there are good audience also. But we were so worried that bad audience ma pugyo bhane same thing that you said Nepali केटीले यस्तो भन्यो भनेर पुग्यो भने I think that was our main concern सबको, right?
And the worst thing is that when we talk about those things, we have to fear of all the judgments that we face. And not only that, but it's like only boys have the freedom to speak.
That's a very powerful statement. Isn't it associated with how our upbringing is as well? Because no matter how modern our family is, कि like तिमी late night party गर and गर, but if you keep yourself out there in the के भन्छ a platform which is global हैन, and हुन्छ नि the comments that follow, हामी comfortable होला to a certain level हैन, but I'm sure none of our families will be comfortable. Okay, the first thing they'll be like, what kind of office are you working in where you have to talk about such things भनेर.
Also, कुनै cases मा चाहिँ even if we are okay, even if our families are okay, the society is not okay, and that's really weird. The society can't see us and talk about it clearly when it's
Yeah, because like Karan and all were talking about the weirdest time they had sex, performance anxiety and all of, and those things
Tamish
are
rock solid.
Tommy's rock solid things, but if we even bring these topics out, to a matter of fact, sex like the porridge छोड्दिउँ न, even हाम्रो घरमा पिरियड्सहरूलाई they don't call it as periods, महिनावारी हुन्छ नि, they need to search for that good term, okay?
Exactly.
Like हुन्छ नि नछुने भएको छ, हुन्छ नि
It's like period is a bad word.
yeah, like हुन्छ नि oh no, it's like I mean the whole concept of period is, it's like कस्तो I don't understand के, because adulting मा गएपछि you want a child. To have a child you need periods, but at the end periods is the wrong thing. So I don't know how the functioning of the society के भएको हो I don't understand. Like I remember हुन्छ नि the cramps हुँदाखेरि period मा I used to call my father and my mother used to get angry कि like why are you calling your father, why are you telling about this stuff, and I'm like भाइ दुखिरहेको छ त दुखिरहेको छ, and my father gave that uncomfortable okay so it's हुन्छ नि these things should be talked about. Okay? Like did you guys study all SLC boards? Yeah? There is always one chapter which was never spoken about in biology, but everyone wanted to read that chapter. कतिजनाको स्कुलमा skip भयो त्यो chapter.
Yeah, right?
Skip भन्दा then they were like सरर and सक्यो.
Yeah.
Like no
Even the
explanations.
teachers, even the teachers were shy to talk about it, and I don't understand why. जब कि sexual education भनेको school life मा सबभन्दा important हो के. That's what I feel.
So like if you have kept that in chapter, you have to teach. You have to tell them about that. But no. You're
No,
like, we
like-
are too shy.
No, I found the most weirdest part is plant reproductive system को बारेमा पुरा पढाउँछ. And then same thing happens with female and male. Done. अर्को science diagram बनाउन लाउँछ. Never in my life I have drawn the reproductive system. Digestive system को कतिवटा diagram बनायो होला हामीले भनेर. But never हुन्छ नि, never about reproductive क्या. Like the balls hanging and all.
Exactly. There were pictures though, but
Yeah.
it was always ignored. Okay? It was just used as an element of laughter. Okay? In school, हाम्रोमा चाहिँ हैन.
Yeah, no.
It's never
in fact,
studied properly. Okay?
I think it was in सबको स्कुलमा है. त्यो च्याप्टर चाहिँ would be like सिलेबसको अन्तिममा पढाउने and then rush it out.
या अझ त्यो कोर्स च्याप्टर भन्यो नि फर्स्ट वान अनि त्यो पेज पढ्नु छुट्टीको छ के टाइप हुन्थ्यो क्या
Yeah, and then हुन्छ नि everyone is excited to know what it is because when we 8, 9, 10 मा पढाउँछ हैन and consecutively for 3 years we have no idea okay and I think boys को episode मा do they talk about porn? I don't know, it's so sad I don't know. It's but porn is a really bad way to हुन्छ नि if we were given proper sexual education नि and talked about these stuff ni I don't think porn हाम्रो country मा अहिले ban गरेछ नि जुन porn is actually a bad way to हुन्छ नि go to learn about sex हैन because it's so but if had they talked about sex education and explained things to us school life देखि नै to understand I think a lot of sexual abuses बाट हामी बस्थ्यौं है lot of यो कुराहरुबाट बस्थ्यौं and कस्तो ऊ जस्तो ट्रिट गरेर के एकदम ट्याबु जस्तो
Exactly. Normalize गरेको भए everything would be sort out के because थाहा हुन्थ्यो नि त यस्तो गर्नुहुन्छ यस्तो if having sex was normalized then there wouldn't be rape cases नै भनौं न in a way के बच्चैदेखि नै गएर हैन because दिमागमा sex is such a big thing नि त नेपालमा हैन so people are like going after it के somehow
so as a management what I was genuinely afraid about was I sat down with हुन्छ नि video कसरी हुन्छ नि how do we give this message that we strongly believe in कि like women also can openly talk about sex it's nothing to be ashamed of भनेर हैन but at the same time त्यसलाई कसरी चाहिँ make it secure for our employees okay because each of you travel alone हैन each of you are answerable to your family members हैन and हाम्रो कस्तो लाइक हुन्छ नि दिक्क लाग्दो पार्ट छ कि लाइक आई नो फर अ फ्याक्ट कि तिमीहरू अफिसबाट घर गयो या तिमीहरूलाई कसैले रेकग्नाइज गर्यो भने टिकटक त तिमीहरूको त युट्युबको स्निपेट्सबाट भन्छ तिमीहरूलाई बाटोमा शुद्ध मान्छेले अब्युज र डिस्काउन्ट थाल्छ क्या ओए त कतिचोटि हुन्छ नि तैँले यस्तो लाइक त होइन मास्टरबेट गर्ने दिनमा यतिचोटि भनेर त्यस्तो खालको कमेन्ट पास गरिदिन्छौँ क्या एन्ड इट्स लाइक हुन्छ नि केटाहरूले त्यही कुरा हल्लायो यार यस्तो गर्यो यार भन्दाखेरि इट्स ओके बट हामीले त्यो कुरा भन्यौँ भने इट्स लाइक ओ सच अ बिग डिल एन्ड वी इट्स अलमोस्ट लाइक इफ आई पुट द्याट भिडियो आउट आई एम ओपनिङ हुन्छ नि सो मेनी डोर्स फर यु अल टु बी के भन्छ नट सेक्योर्ड इन योर ओन पर्सनल लाइफ क्या एन्ड त्यो इट्स अ बिग risk and liability as हुन्छ नि as the CEO of the company हैन but कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ लाग्छ कि लाइक हुन्छ नि because we all feel very strongly about it के like I think because everyone talks about sex हैन so we all feel strongly about it and कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ लाग्छ कि लाइक हैन यार let's take the risk let's put it out there भन्छ तर भित्र काहीँ मनमा फेरि डर लाग्छ कि no भनेर
के आगे जीते
as you said केटाहरूलाई चाहिँ it's so open like it's so easy to talk about sex and it was so easy for them to upload we didn't even have to think twice about uploading it हैन अनि same thing केटीहरूको we're still thinking and that's a big thing to think about
and one point चाहिँ अपलोड गरिदिएको अर्को त नै के भन्छ त्यस्तै हुन्छ
like it's okay for guys to have past relationship just okay होस् sex life मा उनीहरुको but girls को sex life मा if केही कुरा भयो वा कसैलाई थाहा भयो भने it's like a big taboo जस्तो हुन्छ
it's impure के तिनीहरुको भिजनमा हैन
guys really repressing का regressive एकदमै कस्तो लाइक हुन्छ नि पास्ट रिलेसनसिप भयो, भर्जिनिटीको कुरा आयो, मास्टरबेसनको कुरा आयो होइन. आई मिन एन्ड आई नो फर अ फ्याक्ट द्याट हुन्छ नि वी एज गर्ल्स टक अबाउट द्याट इफ हाम्रो आफ्नै फ्रेन्ड सर्कलमा पनि इफ यु आर नट सो क्लोज वी वोन्ट गो आउट एन्ड स्पिक क्या, बिकज त्यो कुरा एड्रेसै गर्न कसैले खोज्दैन क्या. लाइक हाम्रो अफिसमा पनि not many girls were comfortable about coming out. They're like, हामी चारजना चाहिँ okay, let's talk about it भनेर. But there are के, and that comes because of our upbringing, होइन, the kind of society we live in, and judgment देखि डर लाग्दैन कि जुन त्यो security हुन्छ नि,
लाइफमा इफेक्ट.
yeah, I think it will drastically change the whole life. I won't be surprised if people come अनि यसो तोडफोड गरेर कम्पनी बन्द गर्दैन. आई थिङ्क दे जस्ट से क्लोज डाउन द कम्पनी, वाट आर यु इभन टकिङ अबाउट इन द सो भनेर क्या.
So we are here to talk about the sex life. Why we can't talk about it?
Okay, but I have एउटा क्वेसन टु आस्क है. डु यु थिङ्क साउथ एसियन कन्ट्रिजमा इट्स लुक लाइक एकदमै हुन्छ नि it's in one scope, but all of us watch Netflix, all of us watch a lot of American shows, we travel abroad, so त्यो कुरामा हुन्छ नि how comfortable. I don't think uta if we were a company based in America and we would be posting this out, I think we would be I wouldn't even care.
Exactly, that's my point. And why is that? भन्दाखेरि sex is normalized there, okay?
Yeah.
It's not such a big deal, okay? Sex, that's it. So here it is.
Even people can't spell sex.
Yeah, they can't even say sex, okay?
If you
They have to,
watch like TikTok or any other video, SEGGS, as hashtag or something, it is kept like that.
No, now that you tell me, it's so funny, होइन. They won't spell sex, बस कुनै आइटम नम्बरमा सेक्सी 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 या के हाल्यो भने आइटम नम्बर हिट, सङ हिट है. कुनै युट्युबको ट्रेन्डिङ भिडियोमा सेक्स वर्ड छ भने हिट. लाइक आई जस्ट डोन्ट अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड के. लाइक आई स्वेयर इफ आई वाज इन अनदर कन्ट्री 2 सेकेन्ड लाग्दैन थियो होला क्या मलाई त्यो भिडियो लेट्स पुट इट आउट भनेर क्या. बट द्याट कन्ट्री डज नट निड इट क्या. होइन, इट्स डिबेटिङ, इट्स डिलिङ विथ अदर डिफ्रेन्ट इस्युज द्याट women talk about, and we are still lagging behind, and हुन्छ नि thinking हुन्छ नि 3 times or 4 times कि like यो भिडियो गर्ने कि नगर्ने, यो भिडियो हाल्ने कि नहाल्ने, should we openly talk about sex. कस्तो fear क्या. Even though we are girls, होइन, we've all studied in हुन्छ नि private English boarding schools, good upbringing and all of that, everything is there क्या. But still कस्तो डर लागेको छ क्या भित्रबाट कि हुन्छ नि लाइक what will my parents say, what will my family say, what will be my friends perspective about it. त्यो कुरालाई साइड राखेर पनि चाहेर पनि can't keep it at side क्या, because at the end हुन्छ नि as filmy as it may sound यही सोसाइटीमै बस्नुपर्छ क्या.
And even if we want to talk about it, हाम्रो आफ्नै मेन्टालिटी पनि त्यो लाइक डर बस्ने टाइपको.
Exactly, हाम्रो मेन्टालिटी नै खलबलिसक्यो इन अ वे सोसाइटीले यस्तो सोचले गर्दाखेरि.
वान थिङ, डु यु गाइज थिङ्क बोइजहरूले पनि यस्तो कुरा फियर गर्छन् होला बोल्नु अगाडि?
नो,
No.
आई हेभ नेभर मेट वान बोय जसले चाहिँ फियर गर्थ्यो होला कि. आई मिन ट्राईवाला कुरामा डिफ्रेन्ट होला होइन पर्सनालिटी, तर बिकज आम अ गाई आई कान्ट टक अबाउट इट भनेको चाहिँ अहिलेसम्म सुनेको छैन मैले.
बट वाइ डु हेभ तिनीहरूसँग चाहिँ किन यस्तो फ्रिडम छ?
Because they are men.
Because we live in a masculine society, yaar. We live in a society which is very male centric.
And no matter how much you say अहिले better छ होइन, it is not better के. Just because few people talk about it does not make it better के. रुटबाटै निस्केपछि मात्रै it gets better के.
And then हाम्रो एउटा भिडियोले of course हुन्छ नि त्यो रुटबाट निस्केदैन. But what I genuinely feel is women need to talk about their sex life as well. Like I know for a fact हुन्छ नि I have read articles about it. Guys ले आफ्नो सेक्स आफ्नो orgasm पाएपछि it's over for them के. They don't even care about if the woman is having pleasure or not, होइन, if हुन्छ नि she's enjoying it or not, होइन. How
they do think कि त्यो केटी चाहिँ को होला, त्यो केटाले भनेको त्यो केटी चाहिँ को होला.
oh yeah,
एकछिन पज गरेर
जस्तै female masturbation another कुरा हो. It's just so literally मात्रै हुन्छ क्या, like सोच्यो and then I was like yeah, let it just be भन्ने हुन्छ. But today we are genuinely putting out this video because we want to know other girls' views.
What
Right?
do you think?
We want to know because sexual education को बारेमा जान्नु is important, होइन. Ladies are like good touch, bad touch को बारेमा जान्नु is very important. If हुन्छ नि बच्चालाई we as children like सानोमै सिकाइदियो भने, I mean everyone has been abused one way or the other, all of us. I am sure everyone has faced abuse in some or the other way. कुनै न कुनै ठाउँमा we have faced abuse, होइन. सानोमै good touch, bad touch, होइन. यो कुरा सेक्सुअल एजुकेसनलाई ट्याबु जसरी होइन राम्ररी हाम्रो टिचर्सहरूले कन्फिडेन्ट भएर सिकाएको भयो, होइन. I don't think there was a need for us to put out this video and urge other women to speak about हुन्छ नि your views, because we genuinely want women to actually express their opinion, talk about it. It's nothing to be shy of, होइन. How male function, we are no different, okay? But उनीहरूको कुरा चाहिँ हुन्छ नि is no big deal, but for us it's something we need to think so many times.
At the end of the day, guys can't even perform sexual activities without women. So why that thing? Why that thing that guys, why that thing that guys say so open about it and girls say why hide it? Okay? So yeah.
I mean, like even in masturbation, they imagine women.
Yeah.
I mean, not that
unless you're heterosexual, I know.
Yeah. What do you think, यार उषा? केटाहरूले किन यति फ्रिडम पायो यार? मलाई साँच्चै कस्तो हुन्छ नि अचम्मै लाग्छ क्या.
पहिलेदेखि
It came from पहिले.
men and women equal by किधर? It was like where?
कस्तो हुन्छ नि लाइक मन्दिरहरूतिर हेर, you look everywhere, it's all sexual pictures, क्या.
True. Yeah.
It's all sexual pictures and it's so women centric, क्या. त्यही कुरालाई पूजा गर्छौँ हामी, होइन. बट हामीले सेक्स वर्ड अटर गरिदिउँ घरमा, ओ माई गड.
के भन्छ यो? कहाँबाट सिकेर आयो? यसरी होइन?
They want women, but women can't speak. त्यस्तो.
It's like I saw an image, होइन. So it's like woman speaking, होइन, अनि पछाडिबाट हातहरू आएको थियो क्या, trying to close her mouth. So that message was like so deep.
So I think
Sad.
Matero Ben.
no, it's not about Uki, it's about हुन्छ नि. I know if we put this on video, and boys might comment or might not comment, I don't care. But I genuinely want women to talk about what they feel, that should we put a video out where we talk not about obscene video, you know, where we talk about important topics regarding sexual education, regarding sex life of women, हुन्छ नि, regarding having a healthy sex life, knowing हुन्छ नि about different things about sex को बारेमा. Please comment that if you want us to share the video. If you do, we will be posting the video regularly, and that's a promise. Usha will be a regular contestant.
So like,
We are also afraid of the reaction.
Yeah.
What we will be
So
getting from
in the
this
video we basically openly talk about our sex life. That's it. Ani guys did the same thing from our office. Ani
We are also going to answer the similar questions.
similar questions. Yeah.
so let's
So
see how
please
we will
comment
get
down.
a response, right?
Please comment down your opinions on this. Even guys, please comment down your opinions.
Yeah, not all guys are bad, eh, Feri, eh? We also
I mean,
want to clear that
yeah.
out, that Yeah,
And not even all girls are good भन्ने नि हैन के because some त्यो tabooहरु त family बाटै आइरा हुन्छ के because
exactly.
because yeah, my father, I mean not my father mom does not give a crap हैन. Like my grandparents मा पनि my grandfather does not give a shit about period कहाँ छुनुहुन्छ के छुनुहुन्छ हैन. My grandmother gives a shit के. So कुनै कुरामा not even like women are also in a way suppressing women जस्तो नि feel हुन्छ.
Yeah, women really need to support each other, yeah. Like women will, if women collaborate together, work together against this, we have so much power, okay?
yeah.
Like that bail.
Half of the problem is gonna be solved.
To I think just 6 months back or something, women cannot travel alone without
Oh yeah.
damn, that issue, women just came in and then it just got cancelled or something just happened. So yeah, see, that's the power of what happens when women support each other, you know. And guys were also very supportive about it, okay? So guys and girls, we request you to tell us, give your honest feedback. We are genuinely scared. We have a lot of inhibitions. I mean, like there are questions in dimagma, you know. But if you guys support and come out across and tell us, like, go ahead, girls, put the video, right? Dot lagi rasa. That's why we are posting this video first. Ki, what do you all think? Please comment below. Share your experiences. Tell us, because let's make a better nation here. Let's work together to. So you can consider, if you're okay with this. This episode is this series is going to be called the Ladies Room. So this was the first episode of Ladies Room, where we talk about
Normalizing sex.
Yeah,
And also, if anyone is comfortable, I know we might even consider inviting you and having a talk with you. So comment down below if you're interested.
No, you can just email us actually.
Yeah.
You have your email to link box. We have all the description. But yeah, the first episode, let's normalize sex here, guys.
Let's normalize sex.